How to integrate ChatGPT in Excel and use AI.ASK and AI.TRANSLATE. Start on the Home tab and click on the Add-ins. From the list, select More Add-ins. When the Office Add-ins window appears, type GPT for Excel into the search bar. When you find it, select Add and click Continue. The add-in will install, and now it is time for the AI magic to begin. You now have ChatGPT 4.0 Mini within Excel. Click on the AI function to explore various AI functions available in Excel. Creating a search bar. Select a range of cells and merge them to create a search bar for your search criteria or prompts. Enter your search criteria or prompts in the merge cells. To get specific information, keep your prompts brief. Click and drag A4 to AH and merge the cells. Click on the dialog box launcher in the alignment group. From the list, select Merge Cells, Wrap Text, and align the text to the top. Then click OK. Change the background color to green accent 6 and apply the same color to the prompt's background. Using AI.ASK, begin by typing the AI function in the contents area using the format equals to AI.ASK. You open the brackets and select A2, where A2 contains your search criteria or prompts. Hit enter. This will instantly populate the results for the Ghana's 2012 presidential election. Quite impressive. After modification, hit enter, and AI.ASK will populate the 2016 presidential results. You can continue this process by changing the year from 2016 to 2020. Again, hit enter, and AI.ASK will populate the 2020 presidential results. You can also include additional values such as region, male and female demographics. After making these modifications, again hit enter, and AI.ASK will populate the 2020 presidential results, considering the various regions in Ghana and gender. As you can see, integrating Excel with AI functionality opens up numerous possibilities. Don't just be an Excel user. Enhance your experience by integrating AI to maximize its potential. Exploring AI.TRANSLATE. Now let's explore the AI function known as AI.TRANSLATE to experience its capabilities at first hand. Suppose you have 10 verbs in Excel and you want AI.TRANSLATE to translate these words into French, Spanish, and German. AI.TRANSLATE can do so. Translating to French. Place your cursor under the results section. Type $AI.TRANSLATE. Open your brackets, select the word rand, followed by a comma, and select the language French, and press enter to generate the results. Once you have the results, click and drag the small black square to populate the translation for the rest of the verbs into French. Translate to Spanish. Similarly, place your cursor under the results section again. Type $AI.TRANSLATE, open the brackets, select the word run, followed by a comma, select the language Spanish, and press enter. When the results appear, click and drag the small black square to populate the translation for the remaining verbs into Spanish. Translating to German. Finally, place your cursor under the results section once more. Type $AI.TRANSLATE, select the word run, followed by a comma, then the language German, and press enter. After the results show up, drag the small black square to fill in the translation for the other verbs into German. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comment section, and I'll be happy to respond. That's it. For more tips and tricks, follow TechTricksGh. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for the latest tutorials.